Hey guys, so today we are going to make another project. I'm going to keep this sprite one. I'm going to search mouse. Yes, so mouse. I'm going to search mouse. Take this mouse. I'm going to go to backdrops. And I'm going to search. Yes, I'm going to take this boardwalk. I'm going to take one more backdrop. We are going to use that one more backdrop later. So this is mountain backdrop. Now we are going to go to stage in backdrops. So when green flag clicked, backdrop to boardwalk, which is going to be our backdrop. So in the backdrop costume, we have two backdrops. I'm going to use this backdrop later. So first we are going to go down sprite one, which is the cat. Now in this scene, the cat is going to chase the mouse, and the mouse is going to go up, down, left, right. With the up arrow keys, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, and up arrow. So now before coding the mouse, we are going to have to code the cat, which is going to chase our mouse. If the cat touches the mouse, then it's going to show game over, you lost. So first we are going to go to XY, so it's going to stay in this position. The game starts. Next we are going to take another forever loop, and forever loop, yes. We are going to take an if then block. Now in this if then block, before we have to quote something before the if then else. So I am going to take point towards, and before the if then else, mouse one. I'm going to say move 10 steps. Yes, so that's the move 10 steps. Yeah, the move 10 steps. I'm going to put this move 10 steps. Sorry about that. I'm going to put this move 10 steps right here. Now I'm going to go to sensing. If touching mouse one, then what is going to happen if touching mouse, then we are going to switch the backdrop, and it will show game over, you lost. So first thing is simple. We're going to switch the backdrop to the mountain. Now we are going to go to stage again, go to backdrops, and go to the mountain. Yes, the text is selected. Now I'm going to make the color of this text to red. I'm going to press here. I'm going to type something. I'm going to type game over, you lost. Okay, I'm going to go back to sprite one, switch backdrop to mountain, and then hide. Now where's the hide? Yes. I'm just going to reduce the speed a little, make this to 5. Now we are going to code the mouse, which is a big code. So we are going back to the mouse. I'm going to change the size of this mouse because it is way too bigger. Now the size of this mouse should be 50. Yeah, 50. That's better. I'm just going to switch the backdrop. 1 second. You're going to switch the backdrop back to the previous backdrop. Yes. Go back to the mouse one. Now we are going to code the mouse one. So when green flag clicked, XY and stay in this position. Oh, one more thing on the cat, that we have in the cat, right, that we have to just add something. We're going to have to add the show block because we've hidden the sprite. Now what we have to do is, now we have to code this sprite. I'm going to take a forever loop, take the if then else block. Now I just said that if up arrow key is pressed, it will go up, and like that in all the 4 directions. So I'm going to go to sensing, key space press, and I'm going to determine up arrow press. If up arrow press, then it's going to go up to up. Make this up, and then not point. I'm going to take a move 10 steps. I'm going to make this move 10 steps, move 13 steps. Now I'm going to duplicate this because I don't want to drag the code again and again. I'm going to drag the code again and again. So I'm going to change this to down arrow. Going to be So 180 degrees. Change this. Use that as well to make this. Once I'm just gonna scroll up. To keep this here, I'm going to make this right. No. Yes. Right arrow and left arrow. Boom, pointing. I'm just going to check our coding, so everything's fine here. Move pointers, mouse pointer, move 10 steps. Now we are just before seeing, we are going to have to save the project. Cat chasing mouse. File save now. Project saved. So we check our project. Yeah. Let's. Oops. Sorry, the cat is too fast. Oh my god, I'm going to have to slow the speed of the cat. Sorry, but the cat is too fast. I'm going to slow the speed of the cat. I'm going to make this. Oh my god, I'm going to go up, 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 up. We're going to avoid the cat. The cat is still following us. I made the move 3 steps so that the cat doesn't move too fast. The 5 steps was too fast. Now I'm going to let it touch me. So see, it's showing game over, you lost. So our project is working. It's a very simple project and I hope you like